Desirably positioned in the manicured Panorama Estate, this beautifully maintained residence presents a highly sought-after intersection of premium entertaining and family comfort. Spend summer days relaxing by the pool as you soak in the rolling rural vistas over the picturesque farmland behind the property. Featuring a classic U-shaped design, the home wraps around a central entertaining area connecting effortlessly to the outdoor spaces. Inside, the home enjoys multiple living spaces, from the light-filled formal lounge room with lovely garden views to the spacious central living area connecting to the alfresco entertaining and the kitchen. For avid home chefs, the kitchen features abundant space and storage. Complete with higher quality appliances and a servery window to the outdoors, this space is designed for those who love to entertain. For accommodation, there are 3 spacious bedrooms, plus a home office that's large enough to function as a 4th bedroom. The secondary bedrooms are serviced by a light and airy bathroom with freestanding tub and double vanity. The main bedroom is privately positioned and connects to a walk-in robe, ensuite and the outdoor entertaining area. Ideally positioned and featuring farmland to the rear, this exceptional property is move-in ready with privacy guaranteed. For more information, please contact Team Johnston.